Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, CurcuViva, 60 vegetarian capsules. Product Overview Description. Optimized curcumin for enhanced absorption. Advanced vegan non-GMO gluten-free absorbable dietary supplement. GMP Manufacturing. Quality assured independent testing. Discussion. Curcumin is a key component in turmeric root, traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine. CurcuViva is a highly absorbable curcumin formula that is free from rapid excretion. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule per day without food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: organic rice hull, capsule, hypromellose and purified water, stearic acid, maltodextrin, soy lecithin, ascorbyl palmitate, silicon dioxide, palm oil, and sodium stearyl fumarate. Contain soy. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seeds, sulfites, mustard, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if seal under cap is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Consult your physician before use if you're pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While Ayurveda strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by Ayurveda.